If you're using a school Chromebook and notice that certain websites are blocked, this is usually done through network filters. Schools block sites to reduce distractions and protect students, but sometimes useful or educational websites get blocked as well. The good news is that there can be safe and legal ways to access blocked websites, as long as you follow your school's rules and local laws. One of the most popular tools for privacy and secure internet access is a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and routes it through another server. This helps protect your data and can prevent network filters from seeing which websites you're trying to access, allowing blocked pages to load normally. Some school networks block certain websites, and a VPN can help with that, but keep in mind that every school has its own rules. This video is only for educational purposes, and it is your responsibility to follow your school guidelines. The first method works if your school allows VPN extensions on the Chrome Web Store. On your Chromebook, open the Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for NordVPN. You will see the official NordVPN Chrome extension. Click on it and add it to Chrome. After installation, click the NordVPN icon near the top right of the browser. Sign into your account, then turn it on. The VPN will start routing your browser traffic through its secure servers. This method protects your Chrome browser traffic and is very quick to set up. If your school has blocked the Chrome Web Store, the next option is to use the NordVPN Android app, but this only works on Chromebooks that support the Google Play Store. To check this, open your Chromebook settings. Look for apps and see if the option for the Play Store is available. If it is, click on it and enable it. Then open the Play Store and search for NordVPN. Install the NordVPN app, just like on an Android phone. Open it, sign in, choose a server, and turn it on. This method protects the entire Chromebook system and gives you strong, full device protection. If both the Chrome Web Store and Play Store are blocked, you may still have one more method. In that case, the only way to use a VPN is through an external device, not the school Chromebook. Many students create a hotspot with their phone. They turn on NordVPN on the phone, then share the hotspot with the Chromebook. When the Chromebook connects to the hotspot, all traffic goes through the secured phone connection. This works even if the Chromebook itself cannot install any VPN apps. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN for yourself, I've included a link in the description with a limited time discount. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on a TV or another device, you can scan the QR code on screen to get started with NordVPN.